and then all eyes go to the tropics. And this morning we are tracking TD13 and TD14. Those are the two tropical wave off Africa. Simply let's take it a step at a time, right? So let's go right here to tropical depression number 13. As it approaches the Leeward Islands, it is moving pretty quickly at 21 miles per hour. Those winds are at 35 and it's gusting to 45. Now most of the convection is off towards the east here this morning as some dry air and a little Saharan dust has been wrapping around and getting entrained into the system, and that's kept it from developing into a tropical storm so far. You can see a little closer look at the satellite loop as it approaches the islands. That cloud deck is now getting very close there to the U.S. and British Virgin Islands, and as the storm continues to move off towards the west-northwest, it is forecast to strengthen as it moves past the Turks and Caicos. Now between Andros Island and the northern part of Cuba, very warm waters over the Gulf Stream as it moves up the east coast of Florida. So the National Hurricane Center in a favorable environment is forecasting this to become a Category 1 hurricane and then eventually impact the Florida Panhandle all the way over towards Louisiana. There is a lot of uncertainty, especially with the intensity forecast. I can't stress that enough. The computer models are all over the place, from a weakening system to a major hurricane. So it's the intensity that we really have to worry about. Now, if this is a perfect forecast, this puts Southwest Florida on the dirty side of a storm, which means the most severe weather and heaviest rainfall. That's the side it's typically associated with. Now, Tropical Depression 14 continues to move towards the Yucatan, and as it does so, will pass Cozumel and Cancun with 60-mile-per-hour winds, and then has a window to strengthen to a Category 1 hurricane as it approaches the coastline of Louisiana and Texas. We have the possibility here of two simultaneous Gulf landfalls of hurricanes coming up. If you could paint 2020 in a weather picture, this is about it, right? So this is a historic event. It has happened before back in 1933. So we've got our hands busy here. Now,